A great place to live in London for professionals. Young professionals find it difficult to rent real estate for the first time in London. Finding a home can be stressful in this huge city, so if you want to rent a home, you need to limit yourself to a specific area. You need a home near your office to reduce your travel expenses. To make things easier for you, we have some of the best places to live in London for working professionals. East London. This place is famous for its artistic, laid-back, bohemian inhabitants. West London is more expensive. Therefore, hordes of young professionals and graduates cannot live there. The resulting redevelopment can be a major topic of debate, as residents have noticed that demographics in beautiful areas are changing rapidly to accommodate new tastes. Artisan restaurants, bars, galleries and cafes are emerging, and this development is becoming the reason for the rise in prices in the region. East London is an eclectic and lively scene. East London is cheap to live, eat and drink. Keep in mind that prices are constantly rising. Dalston and Shoreditch. If you're looking for a truly eclectic, bohemian and awe-inspiring combination of people, you can opt for Shoreditch. E1 zip code is London's unique and ingenious district, where city bunkers and Liverpool's money-making streets work with Silicon Euro tycoons, fashionistas and market traders. If Shoreditch is expensive, you can consider Dalston. Not to be confused with a Hackney. Heralded is London's coolest place and the region is steadily growing in popularity. Rental fees start at around £2,900 per month, or £1,900 for Shoreditch and Dalston. West London. This place may be more expensive for the low-income earners. The West London community reflects traditional and magnificent London architecture. The location is fascinating and the well-kept parks and tree-lined avenues are the highlights of West London. Here are some of the best places to live in West London. Maida Vale. If you're looking for a quiet lifestyle, Maida Vale is the ideal place to go. Your children can play comfortably on the street. You can live a peaceful life away from the hustle and bustle of central London. Little Venice is home to many international restaurants and bars, with lively walks and canal cruises to Camden Padlock. With a laid-back lifestyle and attitude, the Maida Vale can be an ideal choice for rural people who have traveled to the city. Acton. Those who want a different contrast than Maida Vale should consider Acton. The area is rougher than West London. Acton offers excellent attraction from the crowded crowds that invade the area.